Okay, let's just learn a simple blues riff. So the left hand's going to play C and G like this. The right hand's going to hit the F sharp with my second finger, and I'm going to slide to the G. And then I'm going to hit the B flat with my fourth finger. So try that a few times. And then the left hand's going to move your thumb from G to A and still hit C with it. So like that. It's going to alternate between CG and CA, back and forth. But the right hand's going to be together with it on this first black note. Together, alone, alone. And left hand moves, together, alone, alone. After you do that 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, then hit C up here, together with your left hand. And then one more time alone. The left hand will keep going after that to A, then back to G, then back to A. Let's try that again. Together, 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 alone. You can speed it up, it'll sound great. There you go. That's a cool little riff in the blues. Let's try another one. Let's try to go. So we're going to hit F sharp and B flat at the same time as we hit C and G in the left hand. Then we're sliding to G by itself. Then we slide from here to F. So we go F sharp to G, then F sharp to F. So practice that together with the left hand. Together, 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 together. Then we're going to go to E flat and B flat, and then hit C by itself with a thumb. So, and right afterwards we'll hit A in our left hand with the C. After that, we're going to hit C with the left hand, and left hand play alone. So, do that a few times. Then right after that, the right hand's going to hit one more time by itself. And the left hand immediately goes back to G, and then back to A. So that'll sound like this. Together, 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 alone. And then together, alone. That's the whole thing. Together, 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 alone. Together, alone. Together, 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 alone. Together, alone. Together, 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 alone. Together, alone. That's it. Have fun. So the left hand's going to just play C and G, then C and A. That's all it's going to do. Okay? Now I'm going to do that down here. The right hand's going to go like this. Let's see, which one should we do? Maybe we'll do this one. Let's do that one first. So 3 on G, 5 on B flat. And you're going to do it with the C and the G in the left hand. So you hit that. And then afterwards you hit your thumb on C by itself. while the left hand keeps ringing. Next, we're going to have our 2 and our 4 on F and A right there. So try that. The only thing is the left hand's going to move with our right hand, so when we hit that second chord, I want you to move your thumb from G to A. I'm going to be up here because I think it'll sound better. Together, alone, together, but left hand moves up to A. Try that. The next step after that is going to be E flat in the right hand, and then G with 2 and 4 by itself, like that. But I'm going to slide the second finger from my E flat to B, to E, sorry, like that. So practice that a couple times. And when the right hand actually hits that E, that's when the left hand goes back to G. So it goes, so practice that. Alone, together. Now only this one finger is moving. This finger here just stays ringing. So when I move this over, I press C and G, just like that. So that's the ending to this riff. Let's try it all together. Feel free to watch this video as many times as it takes to get this. So together, 3 on G, 5 on B flat, left hand C and G, together. Thumb. I'm going to hit F and A here, and I'm moving my thumb over here to A, together. And now my right hand moves over to E flat and G. I hit it, and when I slide it, I move my thumb over here back to G. That's it. And you can end the whole thing just by doing one extra C and A in the left hand. Make a loop. And then if you want to make it even funkier, you can add a C at the end of it. That C would be by itself. Together, alone. And the left hand goes to that A right afterwards. And if you want it to be even funkier, you can then alternate between going to the thumb on C and the pinky on C way up here, because that also would sound good. So this is actually made up of a bunch of different riffs, right? You could just do just this as a riff. You know? So there you go. That's actually a bunch of riffs inside of one riff. Have fun. Here's one more quick one for fun. So to do this, let's look at just the right hand first. You're going to go, so F sharp and C at the same time, sliding from F sharp with your second finger to G. Do it real fast. 1, 2, 3. 3 of those. Okay. So the right hand's going to, after this, do 3 of these. Just move your second finger to, so after that you're going to do 3 of these. You're moving the second finger to F sharp, pinky stays on C. Then move it again to F 3 times. And then 1 time with your thumb on E and your pinky still on C. That's it. That's the whole riff in the right hand. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay? The left hand's going to be B flat, A flat, G, followed by the pinky on C. And that's it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. So let's try it together. That happens at the same time. Right hand slides. 1, 2, 3. Now they both move down. Left hand moves to A, right hand moves to F sharp, or G flat. Now they both move down again. Left hand moves from A to A flat. Right hand moves from G flat to F. Okay? And you shouldn't really curl your fingers this way. I just want you to see what I'm doing really well. Okay, and then just one time on that G and E and C. Just once. And then pinky on C. It's a cute little ending you can do. Ta-da! Okay, good. Enjoy.